Welcome to World Trade Center, Abu Dhabi. Pasok tayo guys, tingnan natin ano meron. Right side may mosque, may mini park sila dito. Kasi marami mga school dito, dito nag-aaral anak sa likod. Diyan sa building na yan, nag-aaral ang anak ko. Si Grant, tawid na siya. Pasok tayo ng souk.
Tayo ng souk. Ito World Trade Center. Parang dalawang ano to.
Dalawang area. Ito. Napaka-unique ng World Trade Center guys. Yan, sa loob tayo ng World Trade Center, may mga mural sila oh. Ganda ng design. Unique fishermen's. Tapos tignan nyo yung mga lights na design. Mga unique souvenirs. Mga plush toys, keychains, bangles, mga coin pairs, then mga iconic pictures ng Dubai for souvenirs, postcards pala to. Postcards ang tawag dyan. Ano yan, Grant?
Ano to? Bell?
Bell? Stars?
What is this?
Ito maganda guys. Yun napaka-unique. Di ba? Mga lamp. Ito ang ganda. Di ba? Ang ganda. Napakaganda. Colorful. Very colorful. Napakaganda. Ito mga souvenirs. Look at this. Ito chess piece. Ganda. This very nice. Very unique. It's okay? Thank you, brother. Very. Continue. Carpets, ang ganda for from Kashmir. Hello, brother.
Kashmir here.
Can I take a video?
Yes,
It looks very nice. Beautiful. This one. This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at how it's designed. Ang ganda. A lot of design. This silk from Persian silk. It's a souvenir shop. Look at this gun. Beautiful. Then chess. Unique chess pieces. Ito for Quran. I think this is the cover for the Quran. Souvenirs. Souvenirs. A lot of souvenirs. You can choose from. Very unique. Ang ganda. Iconic. Burj Khalifa. Camels. And this one I like. Of course, cups. Abu Dhabi. Matroshka dal, but Abu Dhabi version, Arabic version. Shukran, brother. My wife is still there. Ito naman guys, variety of cups. Jumeirah, Dubai. Puro Dubai naman ang style na to. Ito, dami. Variety sa mga ito. Abu Dhabi bags. Dito tayo sa I Love UAE. Ito Abu Dhabi cups. Pili na kayo. Souvenir. Ito pang babae. Clothes ng babae, bag ng babae, souvenir. Pasok tayo. Check natin mga souvenir na cups. Design. It's okay? Thank you, brother. Mugs nga eh. Ito pouch souvenir bags. Wallet. They have wallets. All souvenir inside. Ito. Mga display, Abu Dhabi. Nakita rin ako ng ganito sa ano eh. Gant, mag-ingat ka ha.
Nice mother.
Ito, Burj Khalifa. Ang hawakan, Grant. Burj Al Arab. Grant. Grant. Put it back. Ito, ano, holder ng Quran. Gold. Ito, the old saying ay they have chocolate also. Ito, chocolate bee, oh. Pag pumunta si Pugong, pundalin mo dito. Bumili ka dito kay Pugong. Bee, chocolate. Brother, how much this cost?
30 dirham.
30 dirhams only? Oh, okay. How many grams? 150. Ah, nice. Okay. Okay. It's nice. Nice place. Ato, number 1. It looks good. This also. But this one. Look at this. Work of art. Ganda. Mga daw for display, oh. Ganda. Another souvenirs. Dito tayo bumili ng souvenir, no? Ito souvenir from Dubai. From Abu Dhabi. Maganda shop nila, no? Ito, Abu Dhabi. Napapunta si Pugong dito, no? Let's go, Grant! At ang ganda ng bag, B, oh. B. Guys, different spices, oh. The rose, red pepper, hollyhock. First time ko nakita ng hollyhock. Ito turmeric male, then turmeric female. Red rose, dried jasmine, horsetail. Ito pala horsetail bee, oh. I think horsetail bee, oh. Oh, horsetail. Ano, tingnan mo. Ito sea salt, ito maganda. Dried straw flower. Deep, oh, deep pink rose. Chamomile. Cinnamon. Black lentil. Black rose. Lavender. Ito lavender. Rose. Ang mga ano to. Ito. Mga incense naman to. Frankincense. Ito incense. Ito mga ano. Ah, look at this. Magnets. Souvenirs. Put it back, ha?
I got magnets.
Very nice, ha? Look awesome. For take away, oh. Spices. Chili, anise, coriander. Ang galing, oh. Mint. Pwede yung anuhin. Ano to? Ito may ginger, turmeric, coriander, biryani. Ito pa, ang galing. Only here in World Trade Center. Ito pa, oh. Mga mixed spices. Ito yung mga pangalan niya. 15? Kailangan mo? Madam will buy one. Today. Ano kailangan mo dyan? How much? For 15 dirhams only.
Pero ito ano na,
Ito
pakulo.
pistachio is nice.
Wait lang.
Pistachio.
Ang chocolate? The saffron.
How much your
You
Dubai
can,
chocolate?
you can buy per grams also.
Smaller one is 15 starting from.
There's a different type of saffron. Irani. Ay, all Irani. This Kashmiri.
See?
Kashmiri is,
Wait na.
sorry, Iranian. This dates. This mashdul?
Yeah, Majul, yeah.
How much this one?
1 kilogram, 40 dirham.
40.
Oh, guys, honey. Tingnan mo kung magkano.
Wait,
How
wait,
much?
wait, wait.
Grant!
Don't touch.
Kaso parang ano yung honey nila.
No,
Hindi naman. Ito yung different ano. Spices. Ah, everything is here. Oh,
Ano yung nahanap ko, wait?
nahanap mo? Ako. Nahanap mo na ako eh. I forgot.
Yung pinakita ko sa'yo.
I forgot what is that. You need to check. So these are the stores guys inside. You can buy everything here. Ano ito? Oh, may rose water din sila oh. Lahat. Ito mga tea oh. Ito yung mga tea oh. Oh, variety of tea. May lemon ginger pa oh.
It's okay.
Pomegranate. It's there.
I will mix everything.
Okay, let's go. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Souvenir kitchen. Okay, we're back.